Hello and welcome to Bank Read. In this video you'll get an overview of wealth tech and the technologies behind wealth management and its importance. So let's get started. Wealth tech. Wealth management is an associate investment consulting service that mixes alternative monetary services to handle the requirements of affluent shoppers. It's an informative method whereby the consultant gleans info concerning the client's needs and tailors customized strategy utilizing acceptable monetary merchandise and services. The wealth management business is within the interior of some unstable changes at the moment. The standard channels through that cash have been managed and recommendation distributed area unit currently being resolutely non-continuous. And as a result, people who area unit being affected the most, from multi-billion-dollar hedge funds to retail investors managing their own portfolios, are currently in operation in an associate virtually entirely new landscape. As is that the case across the whole finance business, loads of the continued transformations are often attributed to technology. And additional specifically, once it involves wealth management, it's wealth technology, wealth tech, that's in the main accountable. Importance of wealth tech. Wealth managers are combating key problems throughout the shopper life cycle that have tested to be unmanageable, expensive, and chronic a year. Digital technology is currently permitting businesses to resolve a number of these robust issues with versatile solutions that bring client impact, increase relationship managers' productivity and improve compliance. It facilitates produce a monetary plan. Wealth management services help investors calculatively and consistently produce their corpus. Wealth managers come back armed with key skills that facilitate them perceive shopper demand and monetary goals. They assist you to place your monetary choices supported by a timeline. A wealth management consultant wants affluent people. However, not all affluent people would like a wealth management consultant. This service is sometimes acceptable for moneyed people with a broad array of numerous wants. Wealth management is an associate investment consulting service that mixes alternative monetary services to handle the requirements of affluent shoppers. A wealth management consultant may be a high-level skilled United Nations agency that manages associate affluent clients' wealth for one set fee. Affluent shoppers get pleasure from a holistic approach during which one manager coordinates all the services required to manage their cash and arrange for his or her own or their family's current and future wants. This service is sometimes acceptable for moneyed people with a broad array of numerous wants. Applying technology to wealth management. The challenges Janus faced by the wealth management business are often self-addressed by applying technologies like linguistic communication process, NLP, linguistic communication generation, NLG, robotic method automation, RPA, information science, machine learning, psychological feature learning, biometrics, video game, and others. However, grasp these changes usually needs wealth management corporations to rethink their business methods, in operation models, merchandise and services, and technology approaches to contend with fintech-enabled businesses, shifting client expectations, and new regulative regimes. Wealth management business structures. Wealth managers may go as a small-scale business or as part of a bigger firm, one typically related to the finance business. Looking at the business, wealth managers might perform underneath completely different titles, together with a monetary advisor or monetary authority. A shopper might receive services from one selected wealth manager or might have access to members of a specific wealth management team. The wealth manager starts by developing a thought that may maintain and increase a client's wealth supported that individual's monetary scenario, goals, and luxury level with risk. Once the initial arrangement is developed, the manager meets often with shoppers to update goals, review and rebalance the monetary portfolio, and investigate whether or not further services area unit required, with the final word goal being to stay within the client's service throughout their lifespan. Wealth tech game changer. According to recent figures from the financial technology, fintech, analytical analysis firm Fintech International, wealth tech is one in every of the most well-liked verticals straight away at intervals the fintech area. Indeed, funding for wealth tech ventures has surged since 2014, touch a hefty $4.6 billion across 247 deals in 2018. And this robust trend has continued into first quarter 2019, a three-month amount during which wealth tech corporations raised virtually $2.5 billion. As such, the 2019 appearance set to smash all previous records and register another bumper year for wealth tech funding. This is actually true once it involves the foremost recognizable wealth tech answer to date, robo-advisory. This machine-controlled service involves victimization machine learning algorithms to work out the best investment portfolios for patrons, supported their risk preferences, and with attention on driving down fees and casting info bound to a far wider audience than that of ancient wealth advisors. Robo-advisors area unit managing to come up with revenues through lower margins and better volumes of transactions. However, whereas AI has replaced a lot of the human input within the robo-advisory method, it would appear that several customers at intervals this area still like a hybrid answer for managing their assets, one that involves the knowledge of the human bit aboard the convenience of automation. Through a growing variety of solutions, wealth tech is additionally sanctioning a far bigger degree of flexibility for patrons seeking to manage their wealth. Micro-investing is one such answer, whereby a client will save, deposit and invest a far smaller quantity of cash than has historically been the case. And with funding for brand spanking new wealth tech startups continued on an associate upward flight in 2019. Without doubt, additional original and artistic solutions for wealth management are unearthed throughout the approaching months and years. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.